Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, we have been discussing the budget for the last 3 days. Now, I would like to deal with the various points made by honorable members. In the first place, one problem which was used for the purpose of criticizing the government is the problem of unemployment. It is not as if we are not aware of the problem. It has been discussed in various places from time to time. So it is not as if anything new has been said in this house. I would have been glad if some constructive suggestion had been made by an honorable members to tackle this problem. If that had been done, I would have pressed on the central government to implement it if we were unable to do it ourselves. As far as the government are concerned, we have to consider this problem in two ways. One is that which relates to the country as a whole. The other is that which relates to the condition prevailing in our state. As far as the national problem is concerned, it has been discussed in to parliament. Even there it has been discussed in two ways, namely unemployment among the educated classes and the general unemployment among the masses. So far as unemployment among the educated classes is concerned, the leaders have gone into the matter and it has been agreed there should be a change in our system of education. It should be such that those who want higher education should not merely depend on the government or commercial concerns for jobs, but should be able to adapt themselves to other avocations in life. But so far as unemployment among the large masses of the people is concerned, it is accepted that we should increase production. For this purpose, we are now trying to use machinery. But when we do this, it results in large scale unemployment of manual labor. One example in this respect is the handloom industry. For the purpose of increasing production, we have introduced the textile machinery. As a result, handloom weavers are not able to find sufficient market for their goods. They are now unable to carry on their works which they have been doing for many years. So we think that in the matter of production where it is already being carried on by manual labor, machinery should not be used. That is why we have been pressing on the central government that the handloom industry should be protected, because it is not only production that is necessary.